Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to 2 sausages in a tin container. Put these sausages into the oven at around 180 degrees fan and leave them in for 10 minutes. Add an egg into a well that you've made in the center of the flour. It's 35 grams of flour. Now add some of the 50 ml of milk. 50 ml is 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon. Now beat the mixture, and you can use a wooden spoon or you can use a whisk. Then you can add the rest of your milk and beat that into the mixture too until it's nice and smooth. There may be a couple of lumps, but that doesn't really matter. Put the oven on a 200 degrees fan, and then you can add your batter to your sausages. I like to use a spatula to get every little bit out. Once all of it is into your tin, you can then put the Yorkshire pudding toad in the hole into the oven. The raising agent for Yorkshire pudding or the toad in the hole is steam, and you can see how well it's risen.